Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Disney mini brands. I'm so excited. I love these. These are one of my favorites. I probably say that for all of them though, but to be honest with you, I'm like fascinated with mini brands. I just love them. I just love collecting them, and you could just do so many things with them. I just love it. It's like one of my favorite things to do is just get mini stuff. I eventually want to get one of those like doll houses, those houses you can get I think off of Amazon, and you like build it and there's like all these mini stuff and there's lighting. Like I would love to do one of those for you guys. So this is the collector's guide. I've gotten quite a bit of these already. Oh, this is my favorite. This was really cool. But yeah, so let's see today what we get. Never actually gotten that. Would love to though. Let's see what we got today. All right. Oh, Stitch hat. Love this Stitch hat. Can use it on a doll perhaps, or maybe like a decoration on your table for your mini dollhouse collection. I don't know, but it's cool. Stitch. What do we got here? Oops. This is from the Avengers, right? Iron Man. Yeah. Yep. Pretty cool. The toys are so awesome. I just love it. They're so almost real. It's really awesome. What's in here? What do we got here? Oh, we got the thing that I said I did not get yet. Oh, so awesome. I don't know if you can open it, but it's a gift card. So cool. I never got one of these before. Awesome. It feels a little bendable, but I'm not gonna open it. I don't think you can. Not sure. Let me know if you can open this or not. Right, let's see. Oh, we got a storybook. Enchanto. Sorry guys, I don't know much about the Disney that they have nowadays. Oh, this is so cool. I will add this to my other Disney book collection. This is so awesome. You can actually see the writing. Probably use one of the gross magnifying glasses and actually read it. Awesome. Pretty cool. All right, last one. Star Wars. I've gotten quite a few of these. All right. Ready for our next one. So I want to do a video where I'm gonna just put all my mini brands out and just sort them out. I don't know. That might get really messy. I was thinking of getting like storage containers to store them in. I don't know. Let me know how you guys store yours, because those containers are not cheap at all. And to be honest with you, what I usually do is I put them back in their capsule. I write what's on them, inside of them, and I just put the capsule in a tote. Because yeah, those carrying cases, they hold a certain amount and they're just expensive. Okay, let's see now. Oh, we got a stitch. Cool. We got a stitch to go with the stitch hat. All right. Let's see what do we have here. Oh, we got Slinky, the Slinky dog from Toy Story. Nice. I have some of him. He's so 3D. I love the real effect. It's not like the real one. Love it. Alright, let's see here. Oh. I don't know. Is this Rapunzel? I'm not sure. But it's a princess. Nice. I think I've had some of these too. Okay, let's see. Oh, we got another stitch hat. Alright, last one. Let's see, another Star Wars Power Force. Love it. All right, last one to open. Let's see. So I've done a lot of these Disneys. I'm honestly trying to get every single one at least. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, this little guy. Can't remember where he's from. Cute. I've gotten him a couple times. Oh, how awesome. I don't know what these are supposed to be. Are they like some type of cup? I'm not sure. Please comment and let me know what these are supposed to be. But they're cool either way. Let's see. Oh, we got, what's her name? Jessie from Toy Story. Nice. She's like all out the box, ready to walk out. Pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. This has got to be a game. Yes, it is. Oh, it's a puzzle. The Mickey puzzle. I've never actually built it. Let's see. Oh, it's like already pre-built. Is it? Yeah, I've gotten a couple of them, but Never actually built it. Nope. This is harder than I thought. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay. All done. That's cool. And the last one is this another book. Oh, another, what is it? Gift cards, I'm guessing. Yep, we got another gift card. Disney gift card. So now we got two. Alright guys, so let me know what you guys thought about this Disney edition. I know I've done quite a few, but I got the gift cards, which I have not gotten before, and I built a puzzle, which I've never actually built. But yeah, let me know guys, and please comment, let me know what you guys want to see. I will buy it, I will do the video, something you want me to unbox, I will definitely do it. And that's it for now. Until next time guys, thank you for watching. Bye.